Hello friends, Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's Saturday, so that means it's time for Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, this is where I share all the creations that I have made throughout the week. This week I'm also going to be sharing some cards that I received. This is also the fourth time I have filmed this. Alyssa has wreaked havoc. She's been eating, causing static, stepping on things. So I'm hoping and crossing my fingers that this all goes smooth. So here we go. I'm going to start off with some cards that I received. First, I received this sweet card from Teresa, who is also Fresh and Renewed Teresa with Teresa here on YouTube. Some super sweet polka dots, that cat, and all those little kitty accessories. Super cute. Thank you so much, Teresa. I also received this card from Gloria, who is Crafty Al's mom. I had the pleasure of going out to lunch with Crafty Al and her mom when her mom was visiting, so that was super fun. Thank you so much, Gloria. This brightened my day, and I really like this paper with the touches of the floral with that black and white and then that burgundy. So pretty. Thank you. And then my friend Krista from the Netherlands wanted to exchange mermaid cards. Can we just say, oh my goodness, look at all these details on this card. It's a shaker card. I have that flipped wrong. It says dreaming of the sea, an anchor, a compass, a whale, all the details and the coloring, the feather to go with her feathers on her hat, and then the shape of it. One amazing and stunning card. Thank you so much, Krista. I'm not sure if she watches my channel, but this is a very stunning mermaid card, and I appreciate you sending it to me. Thank you so much. On to my cards for the week. First up, we have this one, which was for a Kraftin Kimmie Saturday challenge of using animals. I used this Hippo Ray stamp set. I put some glossy accents on that floaty, so it kind of looks a little more realistic. You're kind of a big deal. And then stamped it on the inside. Next up, there's a new stamp of the month for Kraftin Kimmie that you can get for free when you spend $75 before taxes and shipping. It is this cute little pig called I Can Fly. The sentiment says, you make me feel like I can fly. I made it into a spinner card. I learned a lot making this spinner card. It's cute, but there's a lot of things that I need to learn to do better. I feel this image was almost too big, and I didn't really make the thread tight enough. But when you open it up, it spins. So that's super fun. Like I said, it's super cute. I love the stamp set. I loved my concept, my follow through. Like I said, I have a lot to learn. So now I can try that the next time I make a spinner card. But until then, this is cute, and I can't wait to use him again because it's just so fun. Next up was the May 2022 sheet load of cards. And I also kicked off Mermaid by using this sweet little mermaid on mine. I do have a video up on that, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time sharing those. Then I did a live color along in the Kraftin Kimmie Facebook group where I colored up this stamp set Happiness is Reading, and I did some paper piecing. I have to say I love the end result. I think it turned out so pretty. I love the papers that I used from my stash. And on the inside, it's Happiness is Reading. So pretty. Next up was a card for my group. There's a stamp for that. The current challenge that ends today was tags or plaid or no stamps. I went with the plaid theme and also used an image from our new sponsor of the month, Last Minute Manda. She has an Etsy shop and she has lots of fun digital stamps. Thank you for being my friend. Every time I say that now, my husband pointed out that it reminded him of the Golden Girls theme song. So now instead of saying it in my mind, I'm hearing thank you for being a friend. But yeah, so there's that cute little gnome. Then if you saw in my community tab, I had this card for Cinco de Mayo. This is from, I bought this at the Not Too Shabby shop at the end of last year. I've been waiting patiently ish, so that I could use it on Cinco de Mayo. I don't see this particular one in the shop right now, but there's lots of Darcy's stamps in there that are super duper cute. And I just stamped that on the inside. Oh, I almost forgot. It was also a Kraftin Kimmie Scrappy Challenge, which is anything but a card. I made this cute little note holder, used the My Type stamp set to just stamp please note and a little typewriter on there. And then this just holds it down and it helps to get it out. So that was cute and fun. And then my last card for the week is this one, which uses a digital stamp from Not Too Shabby, the Watermelon Popsicle. I channeled those summer vibes, even though summer is my least favorite season, but I do enjoy making summer cards. I think Alyssa wants to say hello today. Go on, Alyssa. Go on. She's very wanting to be in the spotlight. Oh, there's her tail. So there is that one. I love that paper pad from Not Too Shabby as well. It's the Dots for Summer. It's got lots of nice bright colors. And so there were my cards for this week. Next week I will have 2 videos up on Saturday because it is a Kraftin Kimmie release week. And so I will have one that will have my regular cards, and then I'll have one showcasing the new products from Kraftin Kimmie along with the creations that I make for that. Thank you so much for taking the time to stop by. I hope you have a great day, and until my next video, go get crafty.